Hey, what's going on, guys? This is LYNS Investments and or trading community. How you guys doing? Hopefully, you guys had a great week. Just want to come here, look at the charts, and more importantly, make a prediction on where exactly could the market go. And when I talk about the market, I'm talking about the S&P 500 out of all the four indices. So let's take a look to see what we're seeing here. So if you don't know this, I like to look at the CCI, the stochastics, and more importantly, just the interpretation of the candles themselves to see what could potentially happen. And thus far, we look overbought with the CCI. Right? Overbought. We closed in a hammer candle on a weekly chart, which is usually indicative of a potential pullback to come. Of course, several conditions have to be met as far as the price action closing below, right? Below the close of this candle here, this previous week candle, which is 702. But time will tell as far as if we receive a slight little pullback before we inch a little bit higher. As you guys know, earnings is currently right now at the forefront of the stock market. So hence for the last 4 weeks, we've been inching much higher, surpassing the previous swing high here right before we had that minor pullback. So looking at the charts right now, I'm seeing that hammer candle overbought CCI. The stochastics here looks like it's hinting towards overbought territory as well. But I'm looking at the daily chart. I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back slightly. Right? When we look at the daily chart, we almost broke the sell zone here, but then of course the next day we hinged. Look at this. So we broke here. This was a sell signal. But then what happened? We started hinching up a little bit more. So leads me to believe um, that we should see a slight pullback in the next few weeks. So my forecast for SPY, I'm gonna go. Let's see here. I'm gonna use the Fibonacci tool here from there all the way to the high. So on the short term itself, um, I wouldn't be surprised if we go an inch higher, but in about a week or so, I would be expecting for us to potentially, at least what the charts are saying right now, for us to test again 20702. Right? I wouldn't be surprised if we retest this area here, 702, 783, in later part of this week or early next week. So just be looking out for that, because we're accumulating here, right? It looks like some distribution before a downtrend. Um, Not too much certainty with the CCI and also the stochastics, but overall, I can definitely see us potentially going a little bit higher, right? I mean, a few dollars higher, and of course, pulling right back to that level that I mentioned. I know maybe a little bit far-fetched, but time will tell. Time will tell. I will be doing another video on Wednesday just to see where exactly we are with this market forecast. But overall, that's what I'm seeing in the markets, right? I'm seeing, even though we've been going up and up and up and up, like unchecked, I think the rally may continue to go a little bit higher, but we might come down in that later days of the week of this upcoming week. All right, guys, let me know what you think about market forecasts. Peace and be blessed. And all right, we'll see you guys in the finish line. One.